Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Delta eCredits on your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your Delta eCredits on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in delta.com like this and enter. And after typing over there and hitting enter, you'll be directed to the home page of Delta itself, where first you'll be on this page and you can see the book option available at the top left corner of your screen where I'm hovering right now. Click on books or click on book like this, and after that you can see there is the advanced search option available over here. Click on advanced search, and after that this kind of interface will be appeared where you can see the use certificates, e-credits or Delta gift cards over here. Click over there, and after that on this page scroll down and you can see you can look up by your credit card, sky miles account, contact info, certificate or your eCredit number over here, and after that enter your Delta gift card over here, which is the Delta eCard itself, or your PIN or your redemption code number over here after looking up by these types, and after that entering your eCredit numbers over here, which is the gift card number or your PIN redemption code. Click on continue, then you'll be taken to the further redemption of your e-card from over here according to your location distance by signing into your account from over here. And then guys, this is how you redeem your Delta eCredits on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.